Let's unbox the ASUS Prime OC version of the 16GB RX 9060 XT and take a look at its features. I managed to grab this graphics card at MSRP, 315 British pounds here in the United Kingdom. I think this is a pretty good price for a 3-fan graphics card. The package is sealed at the factory on both sides. Let's cut that open. This is a pretty nice box for an MSRP graphics card. Nice presentation. This doesn't feel cheap at all. Take a look at this. A thank you card from ASUS. And a quick start guide. Illustrations in multiple languages. All right. The foam is pretty thick as well. Take a look at that. That is a good protection during shipping. What is this? Is there anything here? Nope. Nothing in there. There are no accessories here, just the graphics card. The card comes in a standard plastic bag and sealed with a piece of tape. Looks good. I can't believe this is an MSRP model. Okay. First we'll have to peel the tape. There's a lot of protection here. Let's do that now. I'll have to use a knife to peel this. It could have included a pull tab somewhere, but no. And it was pretty much impossible to use. The card comes with 3 display connections, which is unusual. Usually we see 4. 1 HDMI 2.1 and 2 DisplayPort 2.1 connections. And let's not forget to remove these. At least we have a pull tab over here. Nice and convenient. I am well impressed with the materials and the design so far. Take a look at this. Metal backplate, plastic shroud, but it doesn't look cheap. It looks nice. It's pretty good. Plastic on this side too. The GPU gets its power from this single 8-pin connector over here. Well, it's roughly located in the middle of the GPU, a little bit to the right. ASUS recommends at least a 550 watt power supply to pair with this graphics card. And surprisingly, we have dual BIOS, performance mode and quiet mode. By default, the graphics card is set to the performance mode. The heatsink is fairly large, but take a look at the PCB. It is quite short, which gave ASUS the possibility to actually make this cutout, although I don't understand why they didn't make it bigger for better airflow. Take a look at that. There's more space here for a bigger cutout. Surprisingly, this heatsink uses just 2 heat pipes. They're piercing through the heatsink over here, and the same 2 heat pipes also come round and pierce the heatsink on this side as well. You can see it in there. All essential components are actively cooled. The GPU as well as the video memory chips are cooled by this heat plate actively, and even the power delivery system gets its cooling right there and right here. You can see the thermal pad over there. Nice. Let's check the size. The ASUS Prime is 304 millimeters long. And 127 millimeters tall. It's not too thick by modern standards, 2.5 slots. That's manageable. That's not 3 or 4 slots like some other graphics cards on the market. Here's what it looks like inside of a PC. No RGBs, just simple, minimalistic design, all black, and the logos aren't screaming either. ASUS over here, Radeon logo over there. This graphics card will look good in pretty much any PC. Despite its large appearance, this card is quite light, hence why we don't need any GPU support. Yeah, not needed. As you can see, there is no flex at all, and there is no weight to it. So yeah, just the normal bracket and PCIe slot configuration holds this graphics card well. Now it's time to test this thing in games. I'll be posting those videos over on my main channel, linked in the description below. Also, I'll make a full review of the ASUS Prime version of the 9060 XT. To see it, make sure that you're subscribed to my main channel, linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to reward my work with a like, it helps out a lot. And let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the ASUS Prime so far? And subscribe for more videos like this. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.